Hey guys, this is James with Kimber Creek Ford in Pine River, Minnesota. Today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate through the screen and the instrument cluster on a brand new 2020 Ford Escape. So now, it used to be in the past you would use a left directional pad to control the screen, but now you're going to be using the pad over here to control the screen. So let's get to it. So first off, you see here you have information. So now if you push the menu button on the steering wheel, it'll bring up your different options. So we'll hit OK to go to seat belts. Here it will show you which seat belts are connected. Press down will bring you to the auto start stop, and that will show you that it is on, and that also engine will be on because of low temperature. The auto start stop won't engage itself until the engine is warmed up enough. We'll hit down, and this is going to be your driver alert. If you're driving along and you start to swerve back and forth between the lanes, you'll see that little coffee icon up. So it's a reminder that maybe you need to take a break, take a rest for a little bit before continuing on. We'll hit down, and this is going to be your intelligent all-wheel drive. So you see there's a rectangle next to each wheel, and as you're driving along, those bars will fill up to show you how the power is being distributed between each of the wheels. We'll hit down again. This is going to be your My Key info to show you how many My Keys are set up in your system. You also have your tire pressure monitoring, and then oil life percentage, and back to seatbelt. So now we'll press the back button to get back to the home screen one more time, and there we are. So now you have your trip 1 information. On the top left you have your timer, top right your average miles per gallon, the bottom left is distance traveled, and the bottom right is distance still empty. So we'll hit the menu button, which will bring up your trip 1 or trip 2 that you can select, or you can also reset all values, and you can also configure your view, which screens you want to show up on your trip 1 and trip 2. So now we'll hit back, and back, and back one more time to get to the home screen. Next up you have My View. You see right now it is on digital speedometer, but if you hit the menu button, you can change which screen you'd like. You can choose Eco Coach, a calm screen, digital speedometer, fuel economy, or trip and audio. You can choose which screen you would like to show up when you're on your My View screen, and this would be the calm view. Your next screen is going to be your driver assist. This is where you can monitor your adaptive cruise control and or your lane keeping system. So if you're driving along, the 2 lines there are going to be green as long as you're in your lane, but if you start to drift off, the line is going to turn red to show you you're drifting off out of your lane. Next up, you have navigation. So right now with no active route, it's going to show you which way you are facing. And if you hit the menu button, you can go through some destinations. You can save your home address into the system. You can look at previous destinations that you've been to. You can also set up favorites with family, friends, favorite places to eat, favorite places to shop. You can save all those in the system. You can also look at points of interest nearby, such as hotels, banks, restaurants. And you can find all those right on this screen here, as well as the Sync 3 touchscreen. Next we have audio. So if you have your radio on, it will show you the information here. It can show you the artist as well as the song title, or you can even switch through your different sources. Your AM, your FM, and your Sirius. Next, you're going to have your phone information. If a phone is connected, it can show you the information of the phone with the signal strength and the battery life, as well as when it is connected, you can also look at recent calls, incoming, outgoing, and missed calls made either from the phone or from the system. Then we press down one more time, and you're back to your information screen. Thanks for watching. Please let us know if you have any questions.